chocolate cake,
and then
frosting and sprinkles, and this is the food from trash, and this is from the food.
Okay, now and here's this, and I open this. Done? Yeah. Now they give me the tools back.
And then already.
Okay, so put the trash in there, Dylan. Give me the tools. There you go. We are mixing the powder in. So Dylan, you can pour that in there. All of it. That smells like beautiful chocolate. Like that, Dylan. Now I crack the eggs.
I need help.
Oh, crap. Wiggle. Oh, that's disgusting.
But
There you
this,
go. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Okay, bye. In this step, we need my mom. Say hello to my mom.
Hi.
No, you didn't say bye.
almost done mixing.
We're almost done. We're almost done. Mixing.
Mixing.
Look at that delicious thing.
That looks delicious.
It was delicious.
It's delicious.
Ooh, chocolate carrots and potatoes. Oh, good. And apples.
And carrots. We're like fighting.
It's so delicious. Look at it. Guys, can you see how delicious it is? Look at it here. Here it is.
Good.
You should have not tasted.
I tasted.
You guys want to look at the cupcakes? Well, you guys can. Look at it.
Cookies. Ew. The donuts.
I got some on me.
Okay.
Looks good.
Yeah, this.
Oh, there's so many.
Look at that chocolate.
So we're gonna put them in the oven,
This feels
and my
good, like
mom's gonna put them in the oven.
Put them
There
in
we
the
go.
oven.
Now close it, and let me turn the lights. There you go. So you can see the cupcakes boiling. So the cupcakes are ready right now. Look at the cupcakes.
This is mine. This is mine. A summer so little. This is David's and this is David's. Yeah, these are all little cupcakes.
Yeah. So
And we have
each
the
grab
grass. We have the grass right
So
here.
we're gonna put
it right here.
so
And we have
grab-
these and have the button.
So now
And
we
each-
frost our cupcakes.
And we have water.
So
Now,
Jesus is alive. Jesus is alive. Jesus is alive.
it is so hard.
So here's the frosting of the cupcake.
I'm so excited to make a happy face.
Hold on a second. So look at my cupcake. So now I need to add the grass. So do I add it? For real? Okay.
Mine don't look so good.
Devin, can you please help Dylan?
Okay. You
I
know,
want-
happy face.
Okay.
Happy picture.
Oh,
Happy face.
let me put them right here.
Now I can do it. I'm strong. I have muscles. I have muscles to just taste your hand. Because it's good.
Here now. Yes.
It's good.
David, I made something.
Oh, I forgot something else.
So here's my grass. Now let me add the leaves.
I need this.
There you go. One right there. One right here. And here we have it. My delicious cupcake.
Then how about this? That looks like an alien and cute. Now I'm
Oh, it actually looks kind of great.
supporting the grass.
Just got some more grass on it.
That looks like, Mom, my cookie looks like an alien.
Now, let's taste them.
I buy them. I buy one of them. Why the cookies?
Mine was too much frosting. Never do this at home. Never.
Yeah, never do it at home.
I don't care my dirty hands.
I don't care my dirty hands. Here, gonna have dirty hands.
Okay. So, see you next time. See you next time.
See you next time on
Thank
the
you for
video.
watching.
Thank
Bye.
you for watching. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys.
Subscribe
Bye
down
guys.
below.
Bye guys.
Never miss a
Bye
video.
guys.